So this video is looking at healing as a relationship and not a technique. So there is no technique that can replace relationship. Healing, healing unfolds through consistency, through presence and compassion, especially towards yourself. You know, without getting religious about this, the first and greatest commandment is to love God, love your neighbor as yourself. It's not about love God more than yourself or love your neighbor more than yourself. It's about loving yourself in a healthy, self-accepting, kind, caring, and compassionate way. So there's not a technique that can replace relationship. And when we think about relationships, we usually think of it as with somebody else. But first of all, it's how you relate to yourself. And how you relate to yourself is how you'll probably relate to other people as well. So if you're not accepting of yourself, you're probably not accepting totally of other people either. So healing unfolds through the consistency and presence and compassion, especially towards yourself. So when healing becomes something you do to yourself, it often recreates pressure because you're looking at what's wrong with me, what needs fixing. When healing becomes a relationship with you, with your inner world, trust begins to grow. And self-trust is a great thing. And it's the bedrock of self-acceptance and self-compassion. It's not about perfection. It's about staying with yourself, not abandoning yourself. And it's about accepting. None of us are perfect. We all have our imperfections. And it's gradually getting to know yourself bit by bit, slowly, taking your time to listen to yourself, to write it out in your journal and get to know yourself. So the questions this week are, how do you currently relate to your own pain or difficulty? So just notice, what's your attitude towards yourself about your whatever challenges in life at the moment, because we've all got them and we all get them, more or less ebbs and flows of them. And where do you abandon yourself emotionally? And what would it mean to stay present with yourself even when it's uncomfortable? So we leave that for now. And I'll see you in the next playlist. Bye for now. Bye.